I'm going to be talking about the food pyramid and the different food groups that are found and how many servings you need for each group. There's the grains, the meats and proteins, vegetables, fruit, dairy, and oils. When we choose foods that we like. And that's not always a good idea, because if you were to eat hamburgers and french fries from McDonald's every day, you would get sick and very fat. You have to remember that you need to eat all different types of food. This pyramid right here shows us the different types of food and how much you should eat of each kind. We will start with the grains. The grains is the section that you should be eating the most of. You should be eating about 6 servings of grains every day. So one serving would be like a bowl of cereal, a slice of toast, and anything that has grain in it. This is the meat and bean group. In this group, you need to be eating at least 5.5 servings of this every day. That can include any type of meat and bean that you can think of, as well as fish. Next, we have our vegetables. Many of us don't like vegetables, but we need to find a few that we do like so that we can fulfill the requirement of 5 servings or 2.5 cups of vegetables a day. Next, we have fruit. Fruit has natural sugars in it, which are okay for your body. And when you eat fruit, you need to have at least 4 servings or 2 cups of fruit a day. This is the dairy group or milk group. You can see that this guy has very big muscles that are strong, and he has strong bones because he is eating at least 3 cups of dairy a day. That can include milk, yogurt, or cheese. The last category is oil or fats, and that is things that aren't good for our body, such as cookies, cake, french fries. When you eat this, you want to make sure you're just eating a tiny bit a day. They say 6 teaspoons of this a day. This shows a plate divided up into different sections to show you how much of each type of food group you should have on your plate when you're eating. You can see that vegetables and grains are quite a big portion of your plate, but it's also important to have the protein, the fruits, and the dairy while you are eating. There are lots of foods to choose from when you're growing up, but you have to remember that you need a balanced diet, and there is a reason for that. This is a food pyramid, and it shows you the amount of servings that you should be eating for each group. Today we discussed the food pyramid and the different food groups. We discussed grains and that you need 6 ounces. The meats and proteins, which you need 5.5 ounces. We discussed fruits, which you need 4 servings, which is equal to 2 cups. The vegetable group, which you need 5 servings, which is equal to 2.5 cups. The dairy group, which is 3 cups. And the fats groups, which is 6 teaspoons or less.